Sarah Solomon here with Dr. Subodh Kulkarni, the CEO of CyberOptics, and we're here to talk about all things CyberOptics, starting with an update on your vision for CyberOptics.
CyberOptics is fundamentally a sensor technology company playing in three vertical markets. So we make high precision, high accuracy, quality sensors in three vertical markets. Semiconductors, which is why we are here, of course. SMT, which stands for surface mount technology or printed circuit board manufacturing. And metrology, which is measurement of things for industrial applications.
And let's talk about some of the progress that you've made in your three verticals.
The two growth drivers we have are what we call the MRS sensor technology, Multi-Reflection Suppression sensor technology, and wafer sense and reticle sense sensor technology. So MRS is being commercialized in all the three verticals, SMT, semiconductor, and metrology, and wafer sense reticle sense by its very nature is for the semiconductor vertical. But we have made great progress in commercializing both these technologies, new products, exciting differentiation, higher speed accuracy in the MRS case, better yields and uptime with wafer sense reticle sense.
Yeah, and along with growth comes more benefits for your customers. So what kind of benefits are you now delivering to your customer base?
Our sensors enable the customers to measure things significantly faster and more accurately than anything that they have used before. And that has obviously huge ramifications for the customers. They save money, they improve their productivity. We are enabling measurements and inspections of things that could not be inspected by machine vision before. So we are eliminating and creating better yields for many of our customers right now. Many of the high-end smartphones and other high-end consumer electronics that are being manufactured today, all of them are getting inspected with our MRS sensors. And those things are enabling the quality of the products that we are all getting used to using right now.
And what about some of the latest developments within MRS sensor technology?
We are using digital projectors and digital cameras to enable the high accuracy and the high speed. What we continue to do is measure things that are smaller in feature sizes. So right now the stuff that is commercial with MRS is more like 100 microns and above. In our lab, we are beginning to do 50 micron type measurements, and that's only enabling new applications. On the wafer sense, we continue to increase the number of applications. So one of the products that's propelling our growth in wafer sense is this auto multi-sensor, which has leveling, vibration, and humidity sensing. So again, we are improving the number of applications. We are coming up with thinner products so they can go into equipment where the load lock has a finer gap.
So even more benefits offered from CyberOptics. Now, are there any applications in front-end semiconductor?
With next generation of MRS sensors, we will be able to measure smaller features. And once we are below the 10 micron, we will get into what we call the front-end type inspection applications. And that's going to open a plethora of new applications such as copper pillar, TSVs, interconnects, and so on.
How about its potential use for coordinate measurement?
Very recently, we have enabled our 3D AOI system, which we call SQ3000, to not only do inspection, but also do measurement in addition to inspection. And that enables our customers to do a lot more than just inspection and deciding whether it's a pass or fail. So certainly we are getting a lot of traction with the measurement capability. It's the first time any automated optical inspection system at that speed can do not only inspection but measurements in addition to inspection.
What can we expect in the future?
We definitely expect to continue to grow the company given the technology platforms we have, both the MRS platform as well as the wafer sense platform. The company is doing great, and our job is to accelerate the growth from where we are and service our customers with better products and better technologies.
Wonderful. Well, great news here from CyberOptics. Keep up the good work and all of the progression that you're making in this industry. We thank you for joining us. And to learn even more from CyberOptics, you can log on to cyberoptics.com.